three collaborated in a style type funk. So slap palms, swing arms, tap souls. Cause no rock rolls down our hill. Yo, black, this kind of hill. We don't roll no rocks, we just fill heads with knowledge, pure foundation. Showing and proving through the manifestation of our name, which is brand new. Brand Nubian, and we've come to make the people aware that black means first. 400 years we've been made to feel cursed, but now it's our time to rule. Student of the old, teacher of the new school. My inspiration is the 5% nation. As I cram, education was born. Like a thorn in your side I've sworn never to divide with brand new.
I stand as a black man, brand Nubian, from the Sudan, plus I never ran, I'm from Africa, the central region. There I grew and I formed the Legion of a Force. See me ride on a jet black horse, at any cost, brand Nubians will rise up and be the boss. So in all fairness of your black and show awareness, you can rally round the flag. Stand tall or don't stand at all. You with the three and the three won't sag to the floor. Cause that's a picture that I'm hating I can draw. See me work 9 to 5 on my easel. My physical is strong and my mind is cock diesel. Brand Nubian function in conjunction with the three.
Brand Nubian, not on a bandwagon following a fad, making use of the knowledge that we already had. Grand Pooh, here to send the mind into a frenzy. I bet I swing something this summer for the Benzie. Seep into the mind, the brain, and activate the pelvis. Keeping the blind dumb, deaf and blind is Elvis. Meaning old, so behold.
The black, the beautiful, the bold.
Now this falls short, I try harder. A wisdom to me is someone like Asada. I like to say peace to Bambaataa, Tasakuma, Ahmed, and Kenyatta. Brothers that fight for the cause, and they live in the boundaries of the righteous laws. To be exact, dominant means black, but some have a hard time trying to swallow that. Now we have some that are fake, wearing blue eyes and green eyes. Come on, give me a break. Brand Nubian, here to wake up, take off the makeup, cause all to do is cake up. Just be real, that's how I feel. Brand Nubian.
Native or inhabitant of Nubia. Nubian.
A member of one of the group of African tribes that formed a powerful empire between Egypt and Ethiopia from the 6th to 14th centuries.
Nubian.
Any of several languages spoken in the central and northern Sudan, and that's why we call ourselves
Brand Nubian. As the midnight oil burns, our minds turn. Make a mistake and be fake and you will burn. We're here to teach, so you might as well learn that the three has the knowledge for what you yearn. Brand Nubian.
बापरे घाटाय घाट